Today, I will show you how to use two Telegram on a single phone. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Telegram app. Once your app is open, click on this three dot icon at the top left corner. Once you click on it, you can see I have just one account here. So the next thing you have to do now is click on this drop down icon that you can see. So once you click on it, you are going to see add account. Click on it. So once in here, you can easily just add any other accounts that you want to merge with that your TikTok account that you already have. This way, you'll be having two accounts on one device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.